What is your biggest challenge?
I think my biggest challenge, my biggest challenge number 1 ni kutoka kwa fans. So far, I really gotten support from the media. You guys are so amazing. Oh my God, even Mbwekseni.
Jude.
Top shorter. Nyinyi ni watu amazing sana. I've really gotten support from you guys. Anytime I have like a new song and I hit up you guys, nakwanga very ready to support me, play my music. So that's amazing. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Tukikuja kwa fans, mafans wa Kisii, I don't know, nyinyi guys.
Nini mbaya
sasa, simtuambie. Mafans wa Kisii, they're very unpredictable. Wanaweza kupenda ama waamue tu wasikuonange. Hiyo tu ndo shida. Because let me say for example, my songs are played on air. They're played kwa wacha tuseme kwa Wakisii. Kwa Wakisii my songs get airplay on Egesa, get airplay on Getembe, get airplay on Itaya and all. So unajua like mumewawekea like literally ndio huyo. You know, but they just decide you know, maybe wacha tuangalie wale wenye tunajuanga wale wa kitambo. You know, I don't know how they go about this thing. Sijui nisemeje.
Okay, like, what do you think is the problem?
Yeah, what might be the problem?
What might be the problem? Tunakuona lakini hatukuoni.
Exactly.
What do you think is the problem? Mbona hatukuoni? Mbona tunakuona lakini hatukuoni?
I feel like Wakisii, we need to support our own. Unaona vile mtu anamkanga anaimba Fally Ipupa from A to Z.
Anafaa kuwa naimba ngoma ya Kisii.
Yeah, like we really have amazing artists wa Kisii. We have very very amazing artists, but sasa hatuwasikizi, tunaendanga kusikiza watu wengine. So I feel like if we consume our own music, tunaweza fika another level. Yeah.
Last year, how was it on your side, pande ya muziki?
Last year was unajua last year was my first year. Nilikuwa fresher last year.
Nakumbuka nikikuhost I think I was the first one.
Yeah. It was a bit challenging. I wouldn't say imekuwa better because I'm still struggling. Unajua vile mtu ana drowning yuko like guys nioneni. Yeah, I'm still like guys I'm here. Nioneni. Yeah. But I'm happy because platforms like TikTok zinafanya unakuwa a bit visible to people. Yeah, so I'd say tunapanda ngazi pole pole.
Right.
So we expect to be by the end of this second year tuna expect to be at a better place.
Yes.
Okay. Kuna point